Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Friday, everybody.
Happy Friday.
I thought, what better than to have Mr. Eric Bianco here, aka Rico, come on and show you guys how to make one of our favorite cocktails. Let's go.
Grace doesn't allow me on camera much, so I'm savoring every moment.
You're just looking so dashing.
Thank you.
You
Yeah.
switched out of your sweats.
I admittedly haven't changed in 6 months or put a dress shirt on or shaved for that matter. So
Your
this
hair
is a treat.
is so gelled.
But a Negroni. That's what we're making today. My favorite cocktail in the world. A cocktail that I think won you over. And now you love Negronis.
Yes. I always
And-
used to be one of those girls that went to a bar and just didn't even know what to order.
Long Island iced tea or...
Manhattan's like an old lady.
Oh!
Yeah.
Okay.
Show me how to make this.
So this is super easy. Easiest cocktail to ever make. Equal parts gin, vermouth, Campari. Super simple. It's a history lesson. Actually, I googled this before we started. I count from Florence, like not like literally a count, like Count Dracula kind of thing. Not really. Ordered an Americano, which is just Campari and gin and vermouth. And he's having a bad day, so he wanted it stronger. So the bartender was like, "Let me add gin to this." Here we are today. So super simple.
Okay, one part of each of these.
Yes. So we
what
have.
is a part? Is a
So we have
part,
it's an ounce. So we have one ounce Campari, 1 ounce gin,
which is the big
1 ounce in
the big
vermouth,
one,
which is
right?
the big one. So we're first gonna start with it.
Obviously, you wouldn't want the small one. We're making it.
That's correct. That's correct. And it's not even Nile. I'm just kidding. All right. So we're just gonna put in an ounce of gin, bang, ounce of Campari.
Are you gonna make me one too, though? Or are you just?
Yes. I'll split it though. It'll be good.
Okay.
And then sweet vermouth. You have sweet vermouth and dry vermouth. Dry vermouth is typically in a dirty martini. Sweet vermouth is
Sweet.
Sweet. There you go.
So if you don't want it super sweet,
So a
full,
Negroni is
it has to be
sweet, period. I mean, if you don't want it sweet, just drink gin. That's what you do. I like it shaken. I've got my ice here. Gonna pour it in.
Get up.
All right, Grace, you want to do this?
Oh no. Oh,
Don't try this at home. I'm not a bartender, so fast forward. No. So,
Ow.
oh, sorry. All we do?
Oh!
Look at these ice cubes. So cool. Nice and square. There we go.
Do you like our glasses?
Negronis. Mr. Right?
Mrs. Always Right.
Cheers.
You forgot the orange.
So typically, you would also take an orange to garnish. Peel that off there. See, don't get the white, just get the skin.
There's something wrong with this orange, by the way.
And sometimes
It's
you can
like a little...
you can twist it over to get some dust, but typically you bring it around the rim.
Wow, mine is so much better than yours.
In the cup. Drop it in. There we go. And that's a Negroni.
Cheers! Happy Friday!
Cheers. That orange tastes like a lemon.